in this county. And you can only do that through investments such as we are witnessing now. We have seen the many exhibitors that are here, and with that dream, Governor, I am sure you will take Kilifi to the next level. Your Excellency, what Governor Mng'aro is doing is actually dovetailing to your Kenya Kwanza manifesto, a manifesto that we believe needs to take people from the bottom up. And I think that is the idea and that is the vision the governor has for this county. And therefore, as leaders, and I want to speak on behalf of the leaders, as leaders, we have no choice but to support what the governor is doing here and what Your Excellency is doing for Kenya, so that we uplift the lives of these people. With the many investments that are here, the many youth that are saying they do not have jobs, the many households that sleep hungry, the many children who cannot go to school, we have an opportunity to transform this county, Your Excellency, so that all these people are able to move forward. Your Excellency, I would like to say this finally. Kenya can only move from a middle-income country to a high-income country if only we are ready to disrupt the norm, to look at the norm and say this is not enough, to look at what we have and say we are not doing what we must be doing, and move this country to the next level. And we can only do that through good ideas and ability to implement what we think we must implement. Your Excellency, this county for many years we have talked about the squatter problem. I know you have a plan to solve it. I know the governor has a plan to solve the squatter problems that we have here. And I am sure with the kind of transformation ideas that we have and what the governor has, we are able to change. Your Excellency, I want to say one thing. You know, my grandfather was a very wise person, and he used to say that if you want a lot of milk from a goat, you will not get it. You want a lot of meat from a goat, you won't get it. But if you replace the goat with a cow, you will get that. You will get more milk, you will get more meat. And I think this is what we are doing away with the goat and replacing it with a cow, so that we get enough for everybody. And I think with good investment, Your Excellency, we are able to transform this county, and I want to welcome the investors that are here. We want to give you confidence that this is a good destination for investment, this is a good place to be, this is a good space to do business, and we are ready to embrace you so that we can take Kilifi to the next level. Your Excellency, I thank you, and I thank you.
Thank you, Owen Baya.